walking. You say hi, baby.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen.
Alright, what's up guys? Our journey to Ilocos Norte is over. So we are back here in Pangasinan, which is my hometown. And now, tumunod yung mga kapatid ni Cheyan, ni Mami, galing Manila. Because tomorrow will be our journey to 100 Island. So now, they are here in our hometown and they want to experience the dagat. Yung dagat namin dito, which is nandun na sila, naliligo na. Ayan.
Kagi ang katuhod mo pangalang.
Grabe no, dito lang talaga yung yung dagat na ang layo mo na pero ang babaw pa rin. Baby walking. Ano na? Ha? What? Huh?
So ayun guys, good morning. We're on our way to 100 Islands. Ayan sila Daddy and si Kali. Dumating yung mga siblings ko and first time nila makakapunta ng 100 Islands. So yeah, we're going to bring you with us and let's see kung ano mga activities yung pwede naming itry doon.
We are in 100 Island. Yung mga daungan ng bangka. Because we're going to ride the boat. And they are here. Alright. You say hi, baby. Hi. Okay, so sasakay na kami ng bangka.
Hi! Mochiko!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really.
Alright, we are in Marcos Island, here in 100 Island, Alaminos. Hi ate, kanya. Some of us will do cliff diving. Not me, but them.
My veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Another one.
Sitting by the deep blue ocean, thinking that I couldn't be anywhere better. And I don't know whether it's right or wrong, and I can't. It's impossible for me to go on without you. I feel numb. Well, you will understand. I'm facing my fears. Will I lose you? My soul is bursting with emotion, drowning in tears, and I feel broken, sitting by the deep blue ocean. I'm facing my fears. Will I lose you? My soul is bursting with emotion, drowning in tears, and I feel broken, sitting by the deep blue ocean. Sitting where we watch the sunset, waiting just to see your face. I read your letter, but I don't know whether I will get to hold you one more time before you leave forever. Without you, I feel numb. I'll always be here. I'm facing my fears. Will I lose you? My soul is bursting with emotion, drowning in tears, and I feel broken, sitting by the deep blue ocean, deep blue ocean, deep blue ocean. I'm drowning in tears by the deep blue ocean, deep blue ocean, deep blue ocean. I'm facing my fears by the deep blue ocean. I hold on to our memories, unstop breathing, will not repeat. I'm facing my fears. Will I lose you? My soul is bursting with emotion, drowning in tears, and I feel broken, sitting by. I'm facing my fears. Will I lose you? My soul is bursting with emotion, drowning in tears, and I feel broken, sitting by the deep blue ocean. I'm facing my fears. Will I lose you? My soul is bursting with emotion, drowning in tears, and I feel broken, sitting by the deep blue ocean, deep blue ocean. chasing my fears by the deep blue ocean. Another lazy afternoon, the clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, oh, na 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 na.
Uwian na. Uwian na. Bye-bye.
I've been trying to make my wallet fold all day.
Bye-bye.
Cashing in my dreams, big payout.